Hello everyone, today I have a review of a replica of the American folding knife back model 110 Slim PRO TRX. In the set, a black pouch for storing the knife, total length is 21.5 centimeters, blade length is 9.2 centimeters, blade thickness is 3 millimeters. According to the markings, the steel of the blade should be VG10. The original is marked S45VN. So in this case it might actually be VG10, but I don't know if the original version also comes with this steel. Hard to say. Tempered between 58-60 HRC. Flat grind. Satin finish. Opening with a double-sided thumb stud. Or in the traditional way. There's no problem with this, despite there is no nail nick. Back lock. On the blade, the inscription back, an image of the anvil, USA 110. On the other, Boss 2023, limited edition and VG10. The handle is blue with very interesting pattern. It looks great. I really like this color. And with a grey handle. The black pocket clip with pocket clip also features an anvil motif here and can be switched to the other side of the handle. In summary, very nice backlock, something for lovers of classics, in this case with a slightly modern style. The knife can be opened with one hand, but it's not as quick and effective as knives with the ball bearings and liner frame or axis lock. Cool for EDC, quite slim, so it doesn't take up much space in the pocket. The handle is available in several color options. The mechanics and overall workmanship are very good. The lock works smoothly, without any problems. There is really nothing to complain about. That's all it is. Really, thanks for watching.